Okay, bike check. We have Animal Barnes, Animal Edwin grips. I like them. The only grips that actually last for me. Kink Lynx bars. I cut them down to like 27. Bar spins and shit. Got this fit stem. Oh, my friend gave it to me. I like it. Subrosa forks. They're nice. Little cutouts and stuff down there. Stock peg. Profile hub, mini hub with a female axle thing. Primo spokes. Odyssey hazard light. For tire we have premium refuse resist folding. We got an Eastern Reaper 2 frame. Everybody says Eastern shit, but this thing's lasted for me. I put through a lot of stuff. Colony fantastic plastic pedals. Love these pedals. Light. They work, they grip. Fit flow cranks. These are really nice. Put these through a lot too. Back peg. We have that Kink Light peg. Really like this. I need some hub guards though. Actually get those coming in now. Good one, get those on. Okay. Back we have Fly Bikes rim. Primo spokes. Shadow Rant V2 hub. Bottom bracket is a Shadow Spanish bottom bracket and a stolen integrated headset. Got an Eclat one-piece PC seat. Really like that. It's light. Don't sit down very much, so works good. Shadow Crank and Bones sprocket. Had that for a while. Starting to saw blade a little bit, but still lasting. I got that KMC light chain, like the cutouts and stuff. My Shadow Interlock V2, I broke that. Yeah. This one's been holding out. This one actually stretched less than the Shadow one did. Surprised. Forget anything? Oh yeah. Primo E-Comet folding tire in the back. Stock peg in the front. These Barnes, they kind of suck. They fall out. They work. Yeah. It's my bike check.